Hi everyone, my name is Alan Foote, founder and CEO of Anchr. I'm excited to share with you the very first version of our new deal management platform. Anchr is designed specifically for commercial real estate brokers to streamline how you organize, track, and collaborate on deals with your buyers. I want to give you a quick walkthrough of some of its features. Now, you have to understand this is still early stages, so you'll definitely notice some rough edges, but that's intentional. What I'm after is what excites you, what frustrates you, and what you'd love to see, so that in the near future, I can get this thing published and into your hands to test out and try for yourself. Without further ado, let me give you the tour. All right, here we are on Anchr's login page. Once logged in, you'll be taken to this main deals page. Right now, it showcases all of the active deals you have running along with which buyer they belong to, if any. It's pretty basic information, so let me know if you have any ideas for what you'd like to see here. Let's go ahead and create a new deal. I'll click Add Deal, select the buyer I'm making this for. Let's say we're making it for Homer. And Homer wants to open up a new donut shop, so we'll give this deal a title of donut shop, and then in the description we'll just note down some of Homer's preferences. He's looking for something in the ballpark of 800 square feet, doesn't want to pay any more than 6,500 per month for it, and he wants to be close to his family, so let's find him a nice location in the suburbs. Once we add this location, we will be taken to the details page of the deal we just created. From here, we can edit the deal information along with its status of active, inactive, or complete. I'll leave the status active for now while we work with this deal. Now, down here, we see our sites pipeline for all the sites we're interested in for this deal. This allows you to keep track of what sites are relevant to this deal based on your buyer's interest and progress on a site. Additionally, you'll be able to invite buyers to the specific deal so they too can easily keep track of what listings are on the table and the specifics behind those listings. We don't have any right now, so let's go ahead and add a few. We can either add a new site directly from this page, or we can add existing sites that we've previously uploaded. However, it doesn't look like we've uploaded any sites on our site page, so let's go add some. We'll go to Sites, and then from here we can either add a site manually like before, or upload a site from a URL like LoopNet that will automatically pull the important information from the URL we upload. Let's upload this URL, and it will create this listing for us. Or we could create a mass upload from an Excel or CSV file that contains the site database you've been building up over the years. So let's go ahead and add that and upload those sites. Now that we have a good number of listings, let's get back to our donut shop deal. Go to Deals and then Donut Shop, and then we'll click Add Existing Site. We could choose from any of the sites we've uploaded. After adding a site, it will automatically be placed in our leads card. So let's go ahead and add Austin. And additionally, let's add a few more sites to simulate having multiple options for a deal. Let's add this Dallas site here, and let's add a Round Rock site as well. You can now click on any of those sites to take you to their site-specific page. Let's choose Austin here. Here you can edit important site information as well as add any images. Additionally, you can attach documents to ensure you're always on top of whatever contracts, records, or other files might come in during the negotiation process for a site. Your assigned buyers will also be able to access these documents, so it's easy for them to stay up to date and in the know with the latest version of documents. Let's go ahead and add a document here. We'll upload that, and now everybody will be able to access that. Finally, we've built in the ability to set reminders for a site, so you never forget to circle back to sellers who haven't responded or send that important update to your buyer again. So let's say we want to send a donut shop LOI. Let's say send. And let's mark it for today. We'll go ahead and add that reminder, and we'll get back to that a little bit later. For now, let's go back to our deals page. As you work with your buyer and sellers, you or your assigned buyer can drag and drop these sites into different categories as deals progress. Let's say your buyer is interested in these Round Rock and Austin locations, but really isn't jiving with the Dallas spot. You would move Austin and Round Rock to the potential column while Dallas gets moved to discarded. Let's go ahead and move Austin there, and Round Rock to the potential, and Dallas into discarded. As you progress the sites with their prospective sellers, these sites will eventually move into negotiating or discarded. And then once an agreement is made, your golden site can finally move on into the selected column. Once a deal has been struck, you can change the status of the deal from active to completed. Let's save that. And then once completed, all of the listings other than the one that you made a deal with will be removed from the deal and made re-available in your sites list. Let's go to sites, and you'll see that our Dallas location here and uh, Round Rock location here are all unattached to a deal, but that our Austin location is still tied to the donut shop deal. Additionally, you'll notice that back on your deals page, the deal you just completed is no longer there. This is because it has now been moved to your deal history page, which we can navigate to over here. We'll go to history. And this page contains all of the deals that you've completed or have fallen through. The idea here is that while it's important to make new deals with buyers, it could be just as important to keep track of old deals and their availability so you could be the first to jump on opportunities. Wrapping up, I'll showcase a few of the other features in this first version. On the left-hand side, you can navigate to your buyers list. And here you can see all of the buyers you're currently working with and what deals you have for them. Let's go ahead and select Edna. And here we can edit and view the buyer's information as well as assign them to any deals we may have for them. So let's say Edna was looking for a pottery class office space. Let's assign that to her. And finally, we have the notifications page that will showcase any of the reminders that you've set or anytime one of your buyers moves a site into a new category or uploads a new document. In future versions, I envision integrating text and email communications so that you never miss important communication from deal critical people again. And here you see this is the reminder to send the donut shop LOI that we set a little before. So that's version 1 of Anchr in action. I'd love to hear your feedback, whether it's excitement about certain features, pain points that I failed to address, or even big picture ideas of what this could become for you. Make sure you leave it all down in the comments or use the email in the description to send me something personally. Additionally, I'll be publishing Anchr in the near future, so be sure to follow the link in the description to follow along with our progress and become some of Anchr's very first users. It would mean the world. Thank you so much for watching this, and I really can't wait to hear and read your guys' comments and thoughts. With that, have a good one.